Hello, my little Cocoa Puffs. For those of you who are new, hi, I'm Camille, also known as Camco. I just got the new MacBook Pro. I'm so excited. This is the 13-inch version. It's the perfect size, really easy for me to carry around. It doesn't say the color on here, but I didn't go for the silver version. I actually ended up going with the darker color, which looks like a charcoal gray. I'm so excited because it matches my iPad Pro. Oh, space gray, that's what it's called. This MacBook Pro has 8 gigs of memory and 512 gigs for the SSD. So I'm super excited. I'm coming from the 2014 MacBook Pro, which was great and it got the job done, but it didn't have enough space, and also the keyboard stopped working. I was using like a Bluetooth keyboard and a Bluetooth mouse because it just, I don't know what happened to it. It just randomly failed. The battery power is supposed to be better, as well as the processing. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. Throw this away. Oh, I can like hear the angels singing. Oh my god, it's so crispy. Oh, it's so thin. Holy cow, it's so different. Before I run and grab the other MacBook, I just want to do this whole unraveling of it. Oh, this is the part that everyone likes, the sound. Ready? Is it silent? Oh, I'm so happy I chose this color. Wow. That just looks so nice. Look at that. Honestly, they have this color for like Dell laptops, HP laptops, like all the PC laptops. And not that I'm like an Apple connoisseur, because I'm actually a PC girl, but this looks good. Let's see what it looks like. Wow, it just turned on its own. Oh, do you guys want to hear the screen part? Let's see if I can show you. Ready? Oh my gosh. Can we just, I forgot that this one actually has the touchscreen portion on the keyboard.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
I'm not ready to set you up yet. So it actually has like these touchscreen buttons. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I think that's kind of novelty for me, but I love that novelty. I did see people using Photoshop and the touchscreen would change to the different tools that you would need. I feel like with a PC, it's more customizable. You know, if your graphics card needs to get upgraded, all you need to buy is the graphics card. You don't have to buy like a whole brand new computer. I know Apple is doing better in terms of customization and stuff, but it's still not as customizable as a PC is. And I'm so much more comfortable with like shortcuts and stuff on a PC. Plus, I just like building my own computer. So this is nice. It's for work. So at least I get to have the best of both worlds. So before I go to grab the other MacBook and show you guys a comparison, I did want to talk about some of the stuff that are in the box. So here's the box. Of course, you get the cord for charging it. So let's just open this and see how long it is. I believe I just got the standard 4 feet. Is this 4 feet? Let's see. Watch me hit myself in the face. Sure, let's say it's 4 feet. Maybe it's like 5. Looks like both sides are USB-C, and I believe if you add a certain amount, you can actually get a longer cord if you need one. I personally don't need a longer cord because my desk is literally right beside a receptacle, so I don't have to reach that far. You do get the box as well. Oh, I just tore right through that. This is really heavy. A little heavier, I feel, than the box that I already have for the old MacBook. But you have the box, which you can plug in. Over here is the USB side. So you can plug in your USB cord. And then you have the packet that has the information. You have some stickers if you want them. I never know what to do with these. Nothing is missing, hooray. Too much air. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly throw out this garbage and I'm gonna grab the other MacBook so we can do like a comparison. Okay, we're back. So I've got my brand new MacBook Pro on this side and I have my old MacBook Pro on this side. Just looking at it right now, because the base of the original MacBook Pro is kind of thicker, it makes it higher on the desk. Not by much, but it is still clunkier. Whereas this one is very sleek. So we have 2 USB ports on the new one, and we have a headphone jack. On my first MacBook Pro, we have a USB port, there's an HDMI port, there's a slot for SD cards, as well as a charging port, and 2 lightning cable ports, another USB, and a headphone jack. So there's a lot more going on the sides, and because those USB ports are bigger, I guess the base has to be bigger. I'm not really sure. What am I even talking about? I'm not a tech expert, but I'm giving you this from my average Jane perspective. Yeah. If this wasn't focusing on my face and it could focus on the actual laptops, then you could see that they're different. Yeah, this one is just so much more sleek. There's speakers all along the sides here. Other than that, they look pretty much identical. Oh, the trackpad on the new MacBook Pro is a lot bigger. So there isn't really much for me to say other than what I've just said. I'm not gonna dive deep into the specs because this is not a tech channel. I just wanted to show you guys an average person's perspective of what the difference is. Personally, I think if you're planning to upgrade, it's always good to wait a generation or so. Like when it comes to phones, we'll never just upgrade to the next phone. You know it's gonna get better. And unless you need a functionality that the next generation has, it's sometimes not worth the price unless you do like the Apple trade back program. But yeah, so I guess we can do like a little montage of how the new MacBook Pro looks. It for this video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and show you guys a little bit of what it looks like, but I don't really do anything too crazy in terms of customizing. I maybe will like throw on a wallpaper, but I don't change the icons or anything like that, especially because this is a work laptop and not my own personal laptop. But if you would like to see how I would customize it if it were my own, then just let me know in the comments down below and I will be happy to make that video for you guys. So I think that's it. I think I'm signing off. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you're staying safe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.